Couples therapy. Couples therapy can be one of the most rewarding types of therapy. However, a lot of times couples that have been together a while or married for a while, by the time they come to therapy, there are some serious problems and sometimes some secrets between the two. So when you very first start therapy, there's some questions I like to get out right from the start. One is, are you both all in on this relationship? I mean, 100% in. Are you both 100% in therapy? That you really want this to work? You'll do what you're learning here in therapy. Put it in practice. Are you understanding that you have to put everything out on the table? That anything that you are keeping to yourself is going to be a problem in the relationship going forward. It might be difficult to hear some things from your partner. And when you hear things that are hard, we're going to work through that together. But you're not going to give up. Because therapy, some really tough things come out. And that's what I'm here for, to help you with those and help you to mitigate those so you can go forward. But it's extremely important that neither of you are coming in here pretending to want the same things. So one thing that you can do to see where they're at is ask them, what are 3 things you want out of therapy? Have them write them down. What are 3 things you want out of the relationship? Have them write those. Where do you want to be a year from now in this relationship? 2, 3 years from now in this relationship? Have them write those things down and see what they come up with. If there's any hesitation on these things, then that's usually very concerning. And I do see hesitation. Sometimes I see hesitation on that first question. Are you all in on this relationship and all in on therapy? And that's really concerning. Sometimes one person will kind of skirt around the answer and not really want to answer that question. One way that you can help if you feel that one person is holding back is you see them as a couple and then you see them as individuals. And when you see them as an individual, really try to help them understand that it's okay to tell the truth. Put what's going on out there, even if it's something as difficult as they're talking to somebody else and they have a connection with somebody else. That needs to be known, because as a therapist, you cannot help if you don't know everything. Now, eventually the other partner will have to know that as well if they're going to go forward. So couples counseling can be very challenging right at the beginning, but these are some things that absolutely need to be discussed, that need to come out so that you can do the good work of making this relationship work.